everybody, and welcome to our Thursday Night Rock and Pour collaboration. And if you don't know by now, we have a special guest. And if you remember from last week, we had the opportunity to enter for a coaster drawing if you were on our live chat, for all 4 of our live chats. So we have 10 entries in the bucket today, and COZ, Kathleen, has been over painting with us, me, Angela, and another friend all day this morning, and it's been fantastic. And she's going to do the privilege of pulling the name out of the hat. So
yes,
Kathleen.
we're ready.
But wait, we can't do that yet. We'll do that at the end of the video. Right now, we got me coming up. We have Lori Houston Art coming up at 6:45. At 7 o'clock, we have Angela Bliss Art. And at 7:15, we have Fiona's Creative Canvas. So let's get started and let's rock and pour. Hi, it's Louise with Louise McKay Art, and welcome to my channel, and thank you for being here. And I appreciate everybody who's subscribed and takes your time to watch these videos. And just so you know, I do take a lot of time editing these down so that you don't have to mull through a bunch of mundane. I try to keep it as essential as possible and on point. So yeah, I've got a tray here, and I've just done a test canvas with my colors, and this is it. And I'm gonna go put this to bed in a second. So the person requesting wants a black base for 2, actually. And this one is going to be the red one. So what I have here is Bordeaux Red is my first color. And then I have 24 karat gold and iridescent gold combination. That's my consistency. This is my mostly Nicolazo gold. This is DecoArt, that's golden. This is DecoArt Garnet. And this is mostly, I need to thin this, I think. It's mostly Arteza's Pearl Pink. That's okay. So the plan is to lay down my tricorn black from Sherwin Color to Go. And I'm gonna do my standard way with the little S pattern. And I'm going to blow it out with my little Berta, and I think I'm going to take off the end. I'll see. I have it on the side in case I need it, but I'll probably run it without it. I'll probably be skipping ahead a lot in this video and a lot of fast forwarding through a lot of the time-taking stuff, but you'll get the essence of what I am doing to create this. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. Let's get this show on the road. And people wonder, how much paint do I put down? I don't know. I put down enough that I think is enough. I pour until I think it's good. And I'm getting low on this paint, but I do have another gallon. So you want to be light on the pillow or the base to start with. You can always add more. And I like to go bare hands so I can feel what I have on my hands. All right, everyone, so I have to cut a lot of time out of this, so I'm going to skip ahead to where I have the base pretty much down. So because this video did run really long, I'm going to speed up the paint laying process and even cut some of it out. You'll see the sequence I'm putting the paint down, and you'll see how much I've got down as it all develops. So the first color I'm starting with here is the Bordeaux Red by Arteza, and then this is my 24 karat gold combination, which is iridescent gold by Golden and 24 karat gold by DecoArt. That is my favorite Quinacridone Nicolazo gold by Goldens. And the next color I'm going to lay down is DecoArt's Garnet, and then the last color will be Arteza's Pearl Pink. Cell activator, give it a good stir. And I gotta work fast. because it's already sinking. Here we go. So as I blow this out, I start having problems with getting it to spread. It just didn't want to spread out over this tray. So I kind of fought it a little bit, but you'll see as I go along here, which then results in me having to fiddle and play a lot in the end to try to get the composition I want. So here, because the paint didn't blow up very well, I decided I'm going to add some more cell activator and give it another blow. And plus the hairdryer didn't work right away. You didn't see that, but I couldn't get the hairdryer going right away. So that's why things sunk a little bit. And I wished here, when I added the white, I should have added some more color underneath it as well. That would have helped it flow more, and I think I would have had better composition in the end. Let's try a straw. I need some white in there, I think. All right. I think I do better blowing on my own. It's actually pretty. Now, I'm going to use the straw because I want to get that in that little spot right there. It's amazing, but the straw really has some good directional control over your composition. Little tiny thing. Now it's just playtime. Now it's playtime. Okay. I need a little palette knife. I need the little guy. Okay, let me just take a good look at this. All right, everyone, suffice it to say that after just taking a look at it, I decided to just lay the rest of the base down, and I'm going to skip way ahead from here. actually pretty happy with it. I wish I had my little palette knife. Where is my little guy? All right, everyone, I hate to do this, but I'm going to be double timing and then skipping parts during this section because all I do through here is lots of small blows and tweaks with the palette knife and the toothpick just to get the full shape I'm looking for. But essentially, it's pretty much done as it is. The composition is pretty good, but I'm just going for the little extra lines to make it flow a little better. So just bear with me. I'm going to be skipping ahead. It's faster speed, but you're still going to get the essence of what I'm doing. And I will point out here that it really is amazing what the simplest small line additions can do to how the piece feels and how it flows. So everyone, we're about the end of the video, and I'm going to call it a wrap. And up next is going to be the resin results, and stay tuned to the very end where we reveal the winner of the coaster giveaway. So here is the final resin results, and I love the way it turned out. The colors blended so nicely together, the composition is there for me, and the sparkle in this is spectacular. So I'm really happy with this, and I hope the client loves it as well. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hit the bell and all. You'll get all my latest art tutorials. Check out my tray playlist too for other color combinations. But next, we have the final reveal.
Yes, ready. All right, do I need to close my eyes?
Maybe.
All right.
The lucky winner is...
Do we have just one?
Do you have a couple?
All right, here we go.
There we go.
Okay, so the lucky winner is... you want to say it?
Yes, SJ Pouring Color. Woohoo!
SJ Pouring Color, congratulations. So just email me. I'll hit you in the live chat and just email me and we will get arrangements for how to get the coasters to you.
Congrats, Susan.
Yeah, congrats,
Thank you, everybody.
Susan.
And stay tuned. We're going over to Lori Houston Art next.